Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be checking out the MX Master 3. I have the MX Master 2S, and I finally decided to upgrade. I've been thinking about it for a while, and every time I check to buy one of these, they're out of stock. So I finally found one at Best Buy, and I just picked it up. They are $99.99. $99.99, same price as the last one when it was new. I love these mice. They're very comfortable. They have a lot of great features. The main reason I wanted to upgrade was for the USB-C charging. It's just one less cable on my desk, and it was time, for an upgrade. I've had my other one for a couple of years now, so I'll either sell that one or use it somewhere else. But this is the black one. They do have a 4MAC one that is space gray. As far as I know, the 4MAC one does not come with this little receiver, which I want to use this on my PC and my Mac, because you can connect this up to 3 devices at once right here on the bottom. So you can do Bluetooth and you can use this little USB adapter right here. According to the Best Buy website, at least, the 4MAC one does not come with the adapter. It's just Bluetooth. So that's kind of, it was the same price, so I wasn't really saving anything. So I went ahead and picked up the regular PC one right here. So we get that. I want to say we get a charging cable in here somewhere as well. Yes. So we get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and that is pretty nice right there. So that is the Logitech MX Master. I'm going to try this out and see how it compares to the 2S. It does feel a little bit smaller. It feels like my fingers go up farther on the buttons, and they do feel very clicky and responsive. Scroll wheel feels very nice, and it feels a little bit more lightweight than the 2S does. So we'll try that out and see how it is. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.